Welcome back, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. Today we're going to discuss allocations, what they are and how they work. Before employees can request and use their time off, they first must be allocated or given the time off to use. So follow me as we grant our employees some much deserved time off. So here I am on my time off dashboard. To view all the allocations waiting for me, I'm going to go to management and then allocations right there. So these results are automatically filtered, so I only see requests with a status of first approval and for my team. I can tell a lot from this entry as well over here. I see who it's for, Samantha Adams, the time off type, which is vacation time, the amount, which is a nice 24 hours, and their current balance. This is kind of nice. So I can actually validate or refuse it directly from here. Or I can click the request to view more details, which we're going to do. So this form tells me that this is valid from June 15th. And the reason is she won the annual vacation lottery. We could see that down below. So we like to play bingo at our annual company picnic, and some of the prizes are extra vacation time. So congrats, Samantha. But since this is for the free days that she won, I see a few things that are wrong here. The time off type over here is incorrect, but that's okay. We can change it. I'm going to update this to bonus days right there. Boom. And that's what we automatically use internally for these gifted days. I also see this is also missing an expiration date. There seems to be no limit right there. We like to make sure that any extra time off, like this one right here, is used by the end of the year. So I'm going to click into the field and we're going to select good old December 31st right there. Okay, now everything looks perfect, so we've selected validate up at the top, and it's validated. Okay, now I want to grant my employees some health time off, which is our new time off type that let employees proactively take care of themselves, like going to therapy, getting a massage, or participating in sports activities. In order for them to use the new health time off, they need to be granted or allocated the time. So let's give our employees some health days. I'm going to select management once again and allocations. I'm brought back to my allocations dashboard, and it's blank because I don't have anything waiting for me to approve. To make a new allocation for one employee, I'd click new over here up at the top. But this is just one person, only time off for one employee at a time. I need to grant this to everyone. So that's not going to work. We're going to select our nice little X there and go back. No problem. I can do multiple allocations by clicking on our new group allocation button right there. And let's begin. This grant field right here lets us narrow down who the allocations go to, either by employee, company, department, or tag. If I select by employee right there, it's going to go to all of our employees, which is what I want. I could select specific employees inside of the employees field, but I don't need to. So we're going to click away from that one right there. All right, time off type. This one is health time off. Nice. So this is also a regular allocation, meaning they don't earn the time off as they work. They are just given these days up front and can use it immediately. And this time off is going to be valid from June 18th today until, once again, I'm going to give it to them till end of the year, December 31st, all over again. Then I need to specify the hours. We care a lot about our employees, so I'm granting this allocation as 40 hours. And last, I need to add in a reason inside of this field. I'm going to type to get and stay healthy. A bunch of exclamation points right there. So we have a record of why we gave employees this time off. And now that we're done, I'm going to click allocate time off, and there they are. Since I am the person assigned to approve these requests, they are automatically approved, and you can see that all right there. And that's how we grant time off to all of our employees all at once. Well, that's it for this tutorial. We learned about allocations, what they are, how they're granted and approved, and how to allocate time to our employees. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking time off is just as important as working hard. See you next time.